Hello, I am David. Hi, I am Simon.
Yes, our today's guest is David and Simon. These people are very special to us because they are not people you know who are they and what kind of person are they. So don't waste time. Everyone, this is Indisar Alam and our today's topic is how to make a phone call per two, and the topic is how to give reason for your call. How to give reason for your call. Okay, our previous class was about how to ask people to speak with someone in phone call. If you haven't seen the video is here. Okay, you can click here and see the video, or from the description box, and the video is in the end of the video. So you can use any of these ways. You know our today's class is very important. Yes, because it's so special. You have seen today's guest. Our today's guest is so funny and so cute. Yes, so we will see the examples through the guest and through dialogues. Okay, so don't waste time. Start the class. Our today's class will be also conducted by structures and examples. So first structure, I am calling you to. I am calling you to. It's used in formal English. Okay, I am calling you to. Let's see the example through a dialogue by the guests, David and Simon.
Hi, James. How are you doing? Fine. And you? I am good. What can I do for you? I am calling you to remind you of our dinner plans.
Structure 2. I am calling you for. Used in formal English. Let's see the example.
Hi, Colin. What can I do for you? You suggested I call you to discuss a few ideas. I am calling for reminding it. Oh, thanks. You are welcome.
Number 3. Structure. I am calling about. It's used in formal English. You can use it in informal English too. Let's see the example.
Can I speak to the director? Can I ask why? I am calling about applying for the job. I will connect you to the person in charge of it. Thanks.
Number 4. I wanna tell him about. It's also used in formal and informal English. Let's see the example.
Hello, who is it? I'm Barry. How can I help you? I want to tell you about the COVID-19. Oh, please.
I wanna inform you about. I wanna inform you. The previous was I wanna tell him. This one is I wanna help you. Okay? Let's see the example.
Hi, who is there? I am Robert. Oh, what can I do for you? I want to inform you about the match today.
Guys, that's all for the time being, and see you in the next video. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and stay home.